Imagine organizing your wildest ideas into a clear visual masterpiece, without spending hours scribbling or stressing. What if AI could do the heavy lifting in seconds? This isn't magic, it's mind mapping, reimagined. Discover how one click transforms chaos into clarity, turning scattered thoughts into stunning structured diagrams. No design skills, no endless tweaking, just smart, fast, and jaw-dropping results. Ready to see how it works? Let's dive in. So, what do we need to do to turn your idea into a mind map masterpiece? We only have to use EdrawMind AI. Now, you may say that XMind is also a great tool and can create mind maps from ideas. Then, watch the video till the end. You will get the answer as to why I will use EdrawMind. Okay, EdrawMind has both online and desktop versions. I will put the link in the description. Just head over there and use your preferred version. Okay, this is my EdrawMind AI desktop interface. Here, you can notice some of my previous works. And here at the top, you will find a variety of mind map templates, including examination basics, education, advanced education, conference plans, project plans, IT, and analysis. Here you will find 15,000 plus templates and works. When you don't know how to start, search the keywords and look for ideas to be inspired by others. Okay, here on the right side of the interface, you will find various AI features that can improve personal and business productivity. However, as of now, I will use the one-sentence mind map generation tool from the top of the page. We just have to enter an idea here in this box, and AI will do the rest. For example, I am typing, "Start an e-commerce business like Amazon." After entering the topic, simply click on the send button. And here it is. You can see the mind map is generating. And honestly speaking, it's so fast. If you enter a long and complex topic, it may take a bit more time. And here it is. My mind map is ready. And you can see that EdrawMind generates an amazing mind map for you. This is our main idea. We want to start an e-commerce business like Amazon. Depending on the main idea, it generates several main topics we need to follow, like market research, business planning, product sourcing, building an online presence, and many others. All of these are very crucial to start a business. You will find several subtopics under every main topic, and every subtopic has more subtopics. Honestly speaking, after reviewing the full mind map, I can tell that EdrawMind did a great job. This mind map is contextually rich and factually correct. If you don't believe it, I will share it with you. The link will be in the description. Yes, you can share your mind map with others. Not only share, you can invite your group or team to collaborate on any project. Tools like XMind don't have this feature. Okay, if you find any issue with your mind map, you can customize it as per your need. If you click on any text block, you will find options to change the text font, size, and other text settings. You can change the shape, fill color, and add a border to the block. Next, in the layout setting, you can change the layout of your mind map. Here you will find a bunch of options. These are the logic map templates. If you click any one from here, you will notice the changes in your mind map. In the same way, you can change your mind map to a tree map, timeline, org chart, fishbone, tree table, and others. That's amazing. So now you don't need to spend hours creating different types of mind maps. Next, with the branch option, you can customize the branch type of your map. You can change the connector color with the connector option. If I click on the generate icon, here you have several options. You can also adjust the length, enhance the topic content, or simplify the topic content. Here you will find a very interesting feature called AI Translate. With the translate option, you can translate any block into another language. However, with the one-click translate tool, you can translate the entire mind map with a single click. After selecting the preferred language, I selected French, you can see the map is now translating into French. And here it is. Now our mind map is in the French language. I'm switching back to the English version. Alright, now let's talk about another very interesting feature. If you think you need more ideas about a specific topic, you can actually expand the mind map. Just select the topic or subtopic and then click on the Generate button. At the top of the page, you will find the Generate Subtopic tool. Simply click on that, and you can see that EdrawMind is generating new subtopics. And this is not forced. It's generating factually correct topics. This is not the end. You can even go deeper and create a sub-mind map from any topic. You just have to select the one-click mind map tool. And here it is. You can see that a new sub-mind map has been generated. So now you can turn your idea into a highly detailed mind map that will improve your efficiency and creative thinking. Okay, need more information or want to ask anything about the mind map to an expert? Then use the AI chat tool or Edraw AI from here. This is basically like ChatGPT inside EdrawMind. Here you can ask anything, and AI will answer you. For example, I'm asking for details about website development. You can change the content type from here. Let's go with Ask questions about the topic. Now hit the Send button to get the answer. And here it is. You can see the result. The result is factually correct and very useful. Now you can add this as a mind map by clicking on the Theme button from here. And here it is. Our mind map is ready. In this method, you can create unlimited nodes. Its unlimited nodes allow you to deal with long and in-depth topics or subjects without any limitation, while other tools can only generate 1,000 nodes. Okay, now imagine you have some data in another format and you want to generate a mind map from it. You can do it. For example, I have a DOC file where I wrote about how AI tools work. Now I want to convert it into a mind map. To do so, I can use the multiple file format to mind map tool from the homepage. After selecting the tool, just upload the file. It supports almost all kinds of text and image files. However, the intelligent file analysis is something more. It can analyze the file and extract key information. I will use this feature. Okay, now upload your file here. And here it is. You can see, after analyzing the file, Edraw AI generates an amazing mind map for us. Now, do you want to turn your mind map into a presentation? You can do it using EdrawMind. For example, I want to turn this mind map into a PPT file. Before that, let's see the mind map in pitch mode. To do that, click on the pitch option from here. You will find several options. I am selecting Animated Pitch Mode. Now select one theme from here. And here it is. You see the pitch preview. This is just amazing. Alright, next, here you can see the outline of the map. It allows users to view and structure their mind maps in a linear, text-based format. This enables you to focus on the overall organization and progress of your content, making it easier to organize complex information in a structured manner. Next, this is the Kanban view, and in the end, here you will find the Slides view. With this feature, you can actually convert your mind map into a PowerPoint presentation slide. To do that, simply click on Convert to Slide. It will generate the outline. Once done, click here to choose a template. Here you will find a bunch of template options. Preview some of them, choose the best one, and then hit the Generate PPT button from here. After waiting a bit, you will get the PPT version of your mind map. This is just amazing. EdrawMind did a great job. So now you can convert your AI-generated mind map into a PPT presentation. To be honest, after exploring the EdrawMind software, I feel like there's nothing it can't do. And if you don't want the hassle of installation, you can use the online version too. The online version is just as powerful as the desktop version, so don't forget to try out this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a mind map with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!